For YouTubers, how YouTube videos get discovered and how it personalize recommendations for YouTube videos. Before we go to this video, please subscribe in the channel to reach every important video upload and press like. اضغط على لايك للفيديو، مش هتخسر حاجة. يلا بينا كده. دي ارتكل كاتباه شركة فيديو يوتيوب. الارتكل دوت بيقول لك search and discovery tips. What kind of videos does YouTube system favor? The system has no opinion about what type of video you make and doesn't favor any particular format. Videos are ranked based on performance and viewer personalization, including their watch and search history. What does YouTube personalize recommendations? YouTube takes many cues, many tips from the viewer and recommends videos by understanding. What understand YouTube? 3 things: what videos the viewer has enjoyed in the past. That way the system serves videos that viewer is most likely to enjoy. The second, the videos are often watched together. The system may then identification. Viewers are likely to watch but haven't been exposed to yet. And third one and last, how much of the channel or a topic a user watches. That way the system identify what content is recommended to the viewers. Another question, what does YouTube system look at video performance? System look at how video performed when it is recommended to viewers. So in general, viewers or the watchers of your videos who control the rank of your channel, the rank of your videos, the watching of your videos. It's not but the YouTube system. The YouTube system recommend according to the recommendations of the viewers. So another important question, what external factors influence how many people see your videos? These are external factors. It's separate from your video. Your video may be in this time or this video it has look not look it has a long or very high performance or very high viewing according to some circumstances, but because that it will be recommended again and again for more viewers and it will like go in exponential function. So what the external tips you can focus on it? The first thing is the topic interest. Topic interest is how many people worldwide are interested in your topic. Some topics have more broad appeal than others, like the topic about the financial, the stock, البورصة وأعمال البورصة وإزاي تكسب فلوس من الأسهم. That topic it's very interested in all regions, in all around the world. The second thing, competition. YouTube systems rank videos from all channels. So who are the competitors of your channel in the language, in the region, in your speech, in your videos? And the third thing is seasonality. Seasonality is very important. YouTube traffic can change during different times of the year. Think about your audience, such as which countries they live and the season, the time of viewing. So occasionally there's some topics like grants and scholarships. It's look to be in the summer. You can increase such these topics or some such these scholarships in the summer holidays, because the students are free, no busy in studying, and they are searching for grants, for scholarships, for different types of grants or scholarships. What factors influence how videos are recommended? So YouTube systems are influenced by viewers' watch history, video's performance and engagement metrics and external factors that ultimately try to help viewer reach you. We recommend focus on what your audience like. Focus on what your audience like. You can search in the analytics of your channel and watch which videos has more views and more likes and increase such type of videos. As yourself, which videos does your audience enjoy most? Increase such videos and differentiate between these videos. Thanks for watching the videos. Please subscribe the channel and press like and share the video with others.